first time ever, I ordered an iPhone on the day it was announced, and I was excited to make this video about it because I knew it would come on the day it was released, and it might well be the first time you guys have seen it, and it would be the first time that I've seen it, and it would be all genuine reactions and stuff. But then unfortunately I saw my delivery date estimate and it was way later than everybody else's, so I must have just been late in the queue. Regardless, I wanted to make this video anyway, so I think we should just do it. Just so you know, I picked up the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific blue color, which looks like to be the one to go for this year. And I also picked up the Apple Magsafe charger for it, which I'm weirdly excited about because it's going to fit into my desk setup in a really unique way, I'm hoping, and you guys will see that too. So let's dive into it. So here is the iPhone 12, and before we get started, I did want to compare it to an old iPhone 11 box. As you can see, it is so much smaller. There's obviously no power brick in here, but you can basically get probably 2 of those in there, maybe a little bit more. And if you think of how many of those Apple can put on a pallet, it's obviously a lot more than these, and that's their environmental angle. Anyway, it's a lot smaller box than this one. Let's take a closer look. It feels way lighter as well, I must admit. There's all the details. Nice box, actually. Apple do a good box, so let's keep going. And there it is, straight up. There is that lovely Pacific blue. Oh yes, quite nice. It's fingerprinty already, thanks to those. Look at that. But very nice. Let's give it the old. There it is. So there it is, there's the blue. What do you guys think of that blue? It's really nice, I'm a big fan. It really is very squared off on the sides. Let's just have a look in here. So in the box, there's no headphones now either. It's literally just that cable. That's all you're getting, there's nothing else in there. So yeah, really small, tiny, minimal box. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm not too fussed about the power adapter not being there, but I am a tech reviewer, so I've got lots of those hanging around. And I know not everybody does, so let me know what you think of that. I fall on 2 sides of it. I can get the point, but also, you know, if Apple are going to sell you one that much money, then fine. Anyway, here's the iPhone 12 Pro in that lovely blue, and here it is actually, to make it a bit more obvious, there it is compared to the iPhone 11. So it is a little bit smaller. It's definitely way flatter. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. I hope that makes sense. That's kind of how it is. Yeah, it's nice. I really like it. I'm happy with the blue. I usually like quite pale pastel colors like the green. This is the best color ever, but this blue is super smooth, really, really nice. So yeah, there's the unboxing experience. It's really short, it's really tiny, but I also wanted to unbox this as well, the Magsafe adapter, to see what that's going to be like. So let's take a look and pull that up. Designed by Apple in California. Open that, and there it is. It's hidden under there. I wonder if that's there we go. There is the Magsafe. It's just done like that. And imagine if I just grab the iPhone 12. Yeah, it just snaps on, just like that. So yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you why I'm so excited about this specifically.